Hello everyone, welcome to the first of a series of short training videos about software called RHYS. If you are about to watch this one, you may already be aware that RHYS can enhance your experience when working with a system code like RHYS-ASYST or ASYST. I'd like to share a bit of history. RHYS was created in 2017. At the time, my wife was focusing on helping system code users troubleshoot their input model. We kept running into the same challenge, understanding a complex input model quickly. And this led us to develop a lightweight software that can load input deck text file and automatically display node diagram with accurate coordinates. And that became RHYS' very first major feature, the node viewer. If you ever struggle to interpret or visualize your input deck, RHYS nodelization features can give you an intuitive representation of your model. And later, we've added more features like showing the system statistics and display the control system diagram, check input deck correctness, and more. Beyond just viewing an input deck, RHYS offers a UI-based input builder that walks you through every detail required for creating a relapse scatter sim model. It provides definitions and explanations from the user manuals, making the learning curve a bit smoother. You can also save parts of your models like component groups as subsystems to reuse in future projects. Additionally, RHYS can function as a desk simulator when it's linked to a system code like RHYS-ASYST or ASYST. With that setup, you can observe real-time data using graphs and heat maps and get step-by-step status updates. You can pause, stop, snap, reset, and restart a simulation. Plus, you can interact with the pump and valves through the strip control system while it's running. Now, to view results, RHYS provides a plotting tool, and there's a replay features in RHYS that you can use to visualize replay heat maps of your complete runs. This just makes it easier to demonstrate your simulations to others or reanalyze the data, saving your time to rerun the entire simulation. This is the replay features here. One of my favorite features in RHYS called the model organizers. We introduce the features to organize and display your input decks with thumbnail, preview, and project details, so you can quickly locate the files you need. And thanks to this user-developed plugins, RHYS has expanded to include other features like a batch running, a strip generator, a RHYS step manager, a SketchUp view, and paint tools, and much more through this standardized plugin architecture. Our ultimate goal is to streamline the process of working with system code, especially RHYS 5 SketchUp Sim and ASYST from ISS, which is known for its steep learning curve. Through dedicated training like these videos and tools like RHYS, we hope to make your work more efficient and enjoyable.